Ano pastimes? Hello, Ray. Ay, midnight. Hello, Pen. Hi, Jen! Hi, Jen! Kota na ako, Jen. Nag-review ka na? Wala. Anong ni-review mo na? Gagawa na ako reviewer sa UTS. Iisa ko na siyang sama-sama. Hingi ka na nga ng ano sa pasenda. Oo, dyan ka mamaya. Yung ano, yung sa TCW, yung PPT niya. Kailangan ko yun. Ay, chat na mi. Sige, sige. Check ko mamaya. Ano pa ba? Ano gang exam? Pikum pala. Gagawin ko pa pikum. Mamaya ako gagawin. Dami mo viewers pa. Paano yung binagsakan ako ng night owl? Tinan mo ang beans ko. Kota na ako na. Dilibre ko na kayo. Ano kasi ako, top 3 ako sa hourly region list. Kaya, yeah. Maraming views. Very welcome.
Did you know that Ladasma Group has over 15 luxury resorts and hotels? We're actually high-end resorts here in the Philippines. And of course, this would not be possible without the partnership of Elise Adet, the CEO of our company. She's quite young and 4 months pa lang siya nung but she has achieved so much.
Papauras na lang pala ako.
Then again, let me just warn you, don't get it partners kasi
42.
parang gagawin lang din yan si Ma'am kumagamit.
You're back, Night Owl.
But still,
Thanks
it's
to
the
you,
best
Luke. Oh, I'm in the top 4.
Naging maayos yung work na
I'm in the top 4 again.
walang mga toxic boss at nagawa na pa rin
What's it? Experience sa top 3. So, I already screenshot it.
Yes, that's right.
I'm gonna keep those.
Employees' personal time. As much as possible, walang pwedeng magulo during our essays. That's one of our top rules.
Dahil
And you know,
sa'yo,
if you look her up, you will see na ang dami na niyang napagdaanan in such a young age.
Cool
Kaya
beans.
sobrang palaban
Yeah.
talaga itong sampay.
What do you mean? Here? What beans? So what did what did she give you? Figure of speech. I don't understand what do you mean. Cool beans. Dahil sa'yo, puso ko'y sumasaya. Hello, Lito.
Welcome back po from your visit. These are our leaders po. Hi, good morning. If you may explain something, we're just going to proceed with it. Sure. Let's go, guys.
Ay, cool beans, spirit meaning awesome. Oh, okay.
Good morning, Meryl.
Thank you. Thank you, Lito. Oh, I got 3 star. Amazing. It means cool beans is awesome.
What
Okay,
is my
I'll keep that